Kim Kardashian and Kanye West were filmed backstage together as she supported him at his album listening party in Atlanta, and they both wore red eye-catching fashion choices. Kim Kardashian, 40, and Kanye West, 44, may be headed for a divorce, but that's not stopping them from hanging out in the same places in similar outfits. The rapper, who was wearing a red tank top and matching pants, held the launch/listening party for his new album, Donda, at the Mercedes Benz Stadium in Atlanta, Georgia on the night of July 22, and the Keeping Up with the Kardashians star showed up with their kids to support him in her own red fashionable outfit. It included a form-fitting zip-up jumpsuit with long sleeves and matching platform-heeled boots. The exes were photographed and filmed at the event backstage. At one point, as Kanye was mingling with people and taking photos with people, Kim could be seen smiling in the background. In addition to her and the Jesus Walks creators' kids, North, 8, Saint, 5, Chicago, 3, and Psalm, 2, the reality beauty brought along her sister Khloe Kardashian, 37, to the fun outing. The younger sibling wore her own black zip-up jumpsuit. While celebrating his new album on July 22, the day also reportedly marked Kanye West Day in Atlanta. The talented star was presented with the honor backstage at the event, which you can see above, as Kim walked around not too far behind. She also beamed with delight as he was presented with a certificate for the special day that was named after him. Related gallery. Kim Kardashian's sexiest new single looks after Kanye West split. Kim and Kanye's latest appearance together comes after they've been making headlines for seemingly maintaining a healthy connection while co-parenting their kids. Although Kim filed for divorce in February, the former lovebirds have not spoken out publicly about the status of their marriage and were even recently spotted taking their kids to a museum in San Francisco, California together. Kanye is also still sharing personal moments regarding his music with his soon-to-be ex-wife. One source told Page Six that the artist previously played an emotional and personal song from Donda before a listening party in Las Vegas. He actually played the song for Kim personally before the listening party, a source told the outlet before confirming the track was not negative at all.